Okay, ma'am.
Good morning everyone. Today I am discussing one important question for SSC. Find the mode of the following data. Class interval 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. Frequency 7, 8, 2 to 1. In solution, we are writing these two rows as two columns. We are writing these two rows as two columns. First one, class interval 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. After writing this class interval, we write h value, class size, the difference between any two consecutive lower limits or the difference between any two consecutive upper limits. 1 to 3 difference 2, 3 to 5 difference 2, so h value 2. Frequencies 7, 8, 2, 2, 1. Highest frequency is f1. Its preceding frequency f0, its succeeding frequency f2. So the average of model lower limit and its previous upper limit is L. L is equal to 3 plus 3 by 2, that is 6 by 2, 2 1s are 2 3s are, that is 3. L value 3. F1 is equal to 8, F0 is equal to 7, F2 is equal to 2, H is equal to 2 and H also 2. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is mode formula. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now I am substituting the values. L is equal to 3. 3 plus F1 8 minus F0 7 by 2F1 2 into 8 minus F0 7 minus F2 2 into H 2. 3 plus 8 minus 7 1, 2 into 8 16 minus 7 minus 2 9 into 2. 3 plus 1 into 2, 2 by 16 minus 9 7. 3 plus 2 by 7, 2 by 7 dividing 2 with 7, 0.7 2s are 14, 6 for the decimal point 0, 7 8s are 56. So 2 by 7 value 0.28. This is equal to 3.28. Mode is 3.28. Over.